guys, today I'm doing a cross trade. I really want a snow owl, so I'm just going to give the new Royal High Christmas set for it. And please, if she scam, I will be so sad. Her user is this. You can see it. You see your friend joined Ella, Bella, Lily. So this is the girl who is going to make the cross trade with me. So I'm just going to find her. Where is she? Okay, there she is. Okay. I'm gonna tell her something. If I got scammed. Let's go. Okay, she said a pinky swear. I'm crossing my finger that I don't get scammed, because I really get scammed with cross trade a million times. One of them did not scam, but I'm crossing my fingers. Well, she's my BFF, but yeah, I'm super duper scared. I'm shaking. I won't give her the skirt. I'm just going to see. I'm gonna try. Oh no. Ouch. This new outfit, I really like it. I'm just going to offer her skirt. Hi. This skirt for trade. Well, I'm so grateful that I have 2 of the sets. Star, what I wear is not for trade. Great, not for trade. Let's teleport to my friend to trading her, because she isn't with me, so yeah. Okay, okay, please don't scam, please don't scam, please don't scam, please don't scam. If I got scammed, I will literally cry in front of you guys. Like, that is embarrassing to cry in front of YouTube, but this is me when I cry. I'm gonna close the door so my parents can leave. Because if I cry on the game, they will delete it, so that's why I really hate scammers. Ah! Where is she? Where's my friend? Her name is Princess Ella. I can't even find her. Princess Mimi? No. Evie? No. No. This? No. Where is she? Cannot find her. Ooh, I'm not very scared. I just do like that so I can trade her. Oh, now she joined. Okay. Okay. Hi. This skirt for trade. I only have 1 skirt, so that's from the set. So I need to get 50,000. This is my offer. No tea, bruh. Even that much they don't accept. Where is she? Cannot find her. Okay, there she is. She promised me, she pinky promised me that she will never scheme. Cheating Hermes girlfriend. Oops, that's too much. Okay, I think she had that lag. I think she had low internet, so I'm scared. I'm super duper scared for this one. Right. I'm like, yeah, I cannot stop talking. Like, I'm so scared. Yeah, I found her. Now we get a trade. Okay, so. Okay, I'm recording. This is her username. So, yeah. What does it call? Yeah, winter. Okay, I'm gonna try. Let's see if. Okay. Let's. My goodness, I'm giving a free set just for adult makeups. Please, guys. Please, guys. Okay. I hope I don't get scammed. It's so bad. I'm gonna cry right now. My goodness. I'm literally scared. I'm shaking, you guys. I don't know what to do. Okay, so I have a feeling that she's not a scammer. Well, let's do it, I guess. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna join you, adopt me. Let's see if she unfriended me. Don't be this go able in the future though, okay? Okay. Let's go adopt me. So we do the trade. Let's go. Okay, she didn't unfriend me. I'm waiting for her to be online. She's still on Royal High. I'm hoping she don't do it. She don't scam me. If she scam me, you know what will happen. I will definitely cry soon. She's still in Royal High. What the heck, bro? That's not fair. She's seriously in Royal High? I'm kind of now scared because she's in Royal High and she's not joining me. Bro, hello? Can you join me? I'm so shaking. I'm really scared. What if she like unfriended me? I'm so scared. Finally, she's an adopt me. Thank God, she's an adopt me. Thanks God. Okay. I will join. Oh, crossing my fingers, guys. So I will tell you when she's trading me. Okay, I teleported to her. Now I'm going to trade her, so she gave me the snow owl. Okay, here she is giving me the snow owl, you guys. So don't forget, this is her username. So I'm just going to accept. Thanks for the set. No problem. Okay, so this is she is giving me the snow. Oh, she's giving me the snow owl. OMG! T for not scanning. T for not scamming. OMG! Okay. Oh my God, guys. See, I trust worthy. OMG. Oh my goodness, guy, go. Guys, she's not a scammer, so now I trust her. Yay! But don't be this go able in the future. What that actually means? Okay. Because of scammers. OMG! Thank you so much if you're watching this video. See ya!